Hello friends, welcome to all of you in my YouTube channel. So today I discuss about the brain parts. So let's start the discussion of the brain parts. The simplest possible creatures have incredibly simple nervous system made up of nothing but reflex pathway. For example, flatworm and invertebrates do not have centralized brain. They have lost associations of neurons arranged in simple reflex pathway. Flatworms have neural nets, individual neurons linked together that form a network around the entire animal. Most invertebrates, such as the lobster, have simple brain that consist of localized collection of neuronal cell bodies called ganglia. It's ganglia. Each ganglion control sensory and motor function in its segments through the reflex pathway, and the ganglia are linked together to form a simple nervous system. As nervous system evolved, chains of ganglia evolved into more centralized simple brains. Brains evolved from ganglia of invertebrates of regardless of the animal brain have following parts. Brainstem. The brainstem consists of medulla and enlarge a portion of the upper spinal cord. Pons and midbrain. Lower animals have low medulla. The brain controls the reflex and automatic function, heart rate, blood pressure, limb movement, and visceral function of digestion and urination. Cerebellum. The cerebellum integrates information from the vestibular system that indicates the position and movement, uses this information to coordinate limb movements. The hypothalamus and the pituitary gland. This control vascular function, body temperature, and behavioral responses such as feeding, drinking, sexual response, and aggression and pleasure. Cerebrum, also called the cerebral cortex or just as cortex. The cerebrum consists of the cortex, large fiber tracts, and corpus callosum, and some deeper structure, basal ganglia and amygdala. Hippocampus. It integrates information from all of the sense organs, initiates motor functions, control motions, and hold the memory and thought. The process of emotional expression and thinking are more prevalent in higher mammals. So major divisions of the brain. Here is the box. There is a major division of the brain, that is spinal cord, brainstem, cerebellum, the forebrain, diencephalon, and thalamus, hypothalamus, cerebral cortex. So friend, this is the brain comparison diagram. This is a brain comparison diagram. Look at the animals: fish, frog, bird, and human. This is the brain comparison diagram. You can check it out. The brain comparison diagram. Okay. So there is some other line. As he processed from fish towards humans, you can see that the cortex gets bigger, takes up a larger portion of the total brain, and becomes floated. The enlarged cortex takes on additional higher order functions such as information processing, speech and thought, and memory. In addition, the part of the brain called the thalamus evolved to help relay information from the brainstem and the spinal cord to the cerebral cortex. Thank you friends. In the next video I will give you some other interesting information about the lower brain. Thank you.